Hi friends, today we are going to discuss an example of domain rule in DQS. So right now we will apply it with the email address. Here you can see that some email address are there, right, which is mostly start with the K. So let's start with the knowledge base. Create a new knowledge base. We are working with the email, so I'm going to give a name, email KB. It's email knowledge base, and the domain management, and click on the next button. Okay, going to create a domain. The domain name, it's email underscore domain. You can give any description if you want. And click on the OK button. So your domain is created. Here you can see some properties regarding this domain. And now move to the domain rules. Click on a new domain rule, and here I am going to give a value contain. It's a @ means @ should be there in your email address. And another condition is your value begins with K, and here you give a name to the domain and click on finish button. So publish it. Okay, so email underscore KB1 knowledge base is created with some domain rules. Now click on the new data quality project. Create a project for email, and here you need to select a knowledge base which you have created with some domain rule. You can see your domain here, and the activity which you are using is data cleansing. Okay, so now you need to select your source which is there in the Excel right now, and browse this Excel file, and it is in a sheet 3. Sorry, it is not saved, so I have to save it. And going to browse again. It's a sheet 3. So email address is my name of the column, and the domain which I have created is email underscore domain. Click on next button, start button to run this knowledge base. Here you can see that the completeness and the accuracy level is a 60%, invalid data is a 40%, and total number of records is 5. So click on next. So here you can see that the 3 records which is under my condition, and 2 records is invalid. So our condition is the letter should be start with the K. So this 4 records comes under this condition, and condition number 2 is it should be start with a K, and @ should be there. So it is under the this 4 records. Okay, so 2 records are invalid, which are, this is Jay Bhatia, which is starting with the J, and in Kunal underscore K @ is not here, right? And this is a correct record, so you have to upload it if you want that record in your destination. And these are the two invalid records, so if you want to correct it, then you can correct, like I'm going to correct this record Kunal underscore K @gmail.com, and I'm going to approve this, so it will move to the corrected tab. Click next. Here you can analyze these records, and also you can export these records. I'm going to export it in a SQL Server database. Select the database and give a table name. It is for the email, so I'm going to give a name email underscore TB and click on export. Export it. Now you can view this record in SQL Server. Refresh your table. Email table email underscore TB is created, and view these records. So it is your source, and it is a corrected value which you have done in your domain rules. Okay, so this email address confidence level is high because that you have corrected at the runtime, right? That's why that status is corrected, and this is invalid report. It is totally against your domain rule because that record is start with the J. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe.